Sound defines personality. It adds emotion and depth to a character. Sound underlines the soul of anything. And right now, we're at a really exciting point, shaping the sound of the future. The sound of electric mobility.
The ocean breeze leads thoughts astray to memories of older days. Paths undiscovered. Still a blur, but soon in color. Illuminating dreams. Mystic landscapes passing by. Endless, vivid echoes that refuse to dry. Awaiting what's beyond. Confide upon this beautiful bond. Ready to pursue. And as the all-increasing pace is about to end its chase, we reunite in the solemn moment that us led. Look up, inhale what lies ahead.
The BMW Concept i4 shows how electric mobility is about to arrive in the core of the BMW brand.
The exterior paint of this car, we call it frozen light copper. It expresses a very modern and very technical, but at the same time a very elegant color, and underlines this very specific character of this car. And with the blue accents in front, side and rear, we underline our very confident approach to sustainability.
The interior of the Concept i4 has some big news. We have completely reinterpreted the BMW typical cockpit now with this curved screen.
This is the main focus of the driver. We try to reduce the rest of the car to a minimum with very high quality materials and high quality details.
The concept car really shows our intent for the production car. So all the themes that you see on this concept vehicle are the themes that we're really working on. And I think you will find that the production car will be very close to what you see here now.